All right then, here is the Denton Clipperton L, and the Chinese communist meter has been installed. I couldn't get the meter in very easily. I had to drill out these holes a little bit wider to get it to slip in there, but the meter went in. So plus side red, minus side black. This is a 0 to 1 movement meter. I have no idea if that's what was in this thing, because the meter in here was burned out. So anyway, this is the Chinese communist meter. And in a previous video, I simply hacked the face to fit in this thing by cutting it a bit and mounting it. And so it's not a great job, but we'll see. Okay, so the next rite of passage on this amplifier will be to plug it in. Because one of the tubes is a little sketchy, I'm just going to run it on 3 tubes. Leave that one tube out because it has a loose element in it bouncing around. And it'll run on 3 tubes just fine. So next order is to make sure there are no shorts. You want to get an ohm meter and make sure these aren't shorted to ground. And then I'm going to bring this thing up on a limited power supply using the Variac, which, I got to clean this room project, and I've just been lazy about cleaning and picking up. But anyway, I'm going to use that Variac there to bring this thing up slowly and see what it does. See if it'll power up. So that's the next thing on the agenda. All right, well, thanks for riding along. I would think that we could go to voltage here, go to voltage and then power it up, go to the lower setting here, which is go to standby, and that's it, standby and lower voltage on CW, and see what this thing does. See if it'll come up and not explode. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.